Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you've all have an amazing day. You might be wondering why you're still wearing the same top. I'm actually not. I've just finished work, I've got home and I'm making a video. This is my work uniform, I have different uniforms. Anyway, moving on. Today we'll talk about a cryptocurrency on BNB Smart Chain. It's a passive reflection token. I am all in for reflection tokens, as you guys already know from watching all of my videos. I'm all about passive income. So what is the coin? Let's get right into the video. But before we do, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. We're growing quite quickly. You're gonna go check out my Twitter, links are all down below. Keep up to date, etc, etc. Anyway, let's get right into the video. EverReflect, what is it? So EverReflect is as I said, a Binance pegged BUSD rewards token. You get 15% reflections, which I think is really high. I like that. You know, if you put like $100 in, you're going to be getting 15% reflections of all sales and buys. And over time, obviously, you're going to build up your wealth, and then obviously you can reinvest that if you want and maybe increase your passive income. Obviously, it depends on the volume as well. If it's got high volume, you're going to get more money. If it's got low volume, you're going to get less money. But you know, it's brand new. I see a good potential in the future. If you have a look at all the passive income tokens in the past that have BUSD reflections, they do very well, especially very early on, and this is very early on still. So getting in now could be a good opportunity. We'll get over to the chart and I'll show you what my plan would be, where I would invest, and etc, and where I think it will be going. Hold EverReflect tokens in BUSD reflections. Simple. Guess that's their motto. How does it work? It's an autonomous, frictionless yield farming and liquidity generation protocol with low gas, faster blocks. Simply hold the tokens in your wallet and earn reflections in a stable coin equivalent to the US dollar, the USD. All holders of EverReflect will earn a 15% reflection for every buy and sell transaction. 3% will go to marketing, which is always good to have marketing fees. The project can obviously grow quicker doing that, so I'll do like that. 2% liquidity pool. You've got a PancakeSwap 10-year liquidity lock guarantee. I like that. It's cool. More security. Tokenomics with true anti-rug pink anti-bot launch. I've never heard of that before, but it sounds good. Everyone likes anti-rug type mechanics. So yeah, guys, it looks good. Looks decent. The team is doxed as well, and they also have a KYC, which is really good. I'm going to show the guys the team in a bit. I'm going to give my opinion as well on other things that they could do maybe to improve their token and website. Like the website, I think it's okay, it does the job, but to me it's not too appealing to look at, but it does the job. It's nice, you know, it has all the info on it. But if the guys are watching, I do think maybe making the site a bit more graphically nicer, a bit more simplistic. Right now it's just kind of like all over the place in my opinion. Here's their roadmap. So you've got the launch when they're doing their KYC. So here it is. This is all 2021 stuff. Let's keep going. Got their making registered company, which is really nice. There's a pre-sale date, which has already happened, guys. As you can see, guys, they are decreasing their marketing tax here. With they're also doing 5 trillion token burns a few times, 10 trillion burn there, which is always good. Always want to decrease the supply so the demand is higher, and obviously the value of the token should go up. Another thing, guys, they do have a nice little dashboard. It doesn't look visually appealing, but it does the job. You know, if I had my address here now, it will tell me how much I've earned, how much I need to claim, etc. I do like that. It's good. It means people can see how much they're earning. I really like that. And another thing with the project as well, they do have weekly AMAs now, which I think is really cool, which is starting next week, so probably on Monday or sometime in the week. And then from there, they'll be doing weekly AMAs to give you up-to-date news, telling you what the project's going to be doing in the future, etc. So that's really bullish. I really like that. I love projects that keep communicating with the community. It's very important. Okay, guys, move on to the next thing. After this video is released, guys, and you are interested in checking out the token more, and if you are new to the BNB space, wondering how to buy, like EverReflect, for example, they do have tutorials on their website. All links will be down below of their Twitter, their website, so you guys can easily just find them and know they're the trusted ones. I'll even leave the contract down below so you know that's the exact one. So here is the team, guys. These are the docs team. I do feel like they should have like a LinkedIn's or previous experience, and maybe have like their Twitter profiles attached as well, because it's just a nice thing to go see, like their past history. Maybe on Twitter they have either good history or bad history. Same with LinkedIn, how long they've been working with certain projects or companies. I think that's what the team should do next on the website as well. Maybe make it look a bit more simpler, and maybe add in some things about the team to show more description, more evidence of who they are, etc. And if we look at their most recent pinned, guys, on Twitter, you can see what like their first couple of weeks have been, well, their first week even. 15% BUSD to all users, over 4,000 holders already, over $1 million in BUSD rewards, which is huge. Market cap of all-time high was $30 million. 30 million, that's pretty high. That was on their day one, which again, we'll go to the chart in just a second. And they're already listed on CoinMarketCap and CG, which is really good, especially within a week, so that's really good. And if we move over to the chart, guys, you can see on launch day, massive 30 million market cap. So if you got on pre-sale and you sold at the top, congratulations, you made massive profit, and I'm all in for that. So you can see, obviously, massive pump, instantly goes down, but recovers quite quickly to around, I think that's around 10 million, 30 million market cap. I think that's really good, especially after a massive sell-off like this. It's it's kind of bouncing up and down right now. You got to see what Bitcoin's doing. Bitcoin right now is slowly on the rise. If it does maybe make a 20% move or to the upside now, I do think EverReflect could follow that uptrend and maybe even go higher in price to maybe like 50 million market cap. But that's only if Bitcoin does its thing. I don't think coins right now will do very well without Bitcoin moving up. Obviously, you have the odd few, but we need to see what Bitcoin is doing before we do anything, because that's when people want to put their money in, when things are moving. Yeah, right now it's kind of just stable. Buying opportunity, yes, I think. I like to think so. I mean, in my opinion, this is where I would buy. You can see here, it's bouncing from the bottom all the way down here. It's gone back up again, so it has beat the support. It probably will go back up here, maybe test this line here, maybe back down again. But if it does, if it does bounce back from here, this is definitely a great buying opportunity right here if it goes just slightly above, because this could mean it could go up again, parabolic. So that's the chart, guys. EverReflect, it is looking bullish. It's looking okay in my opinion. Just a few things to the team. Maybe make the website a bit more simpler, a bit more nicer to look at. And for the team section, have like the LinkedIn profiles. Maybe have their Twitters linked up just so people can have a look and do their own research and dig in. But I do like that you have the white paper there. You like how all your KYC verification. You've had an audit as well, which is really good. I like that type of stuff. So yeah, guys, you're doing a really good job so far. The community is very nice. I've been in there. I've talked to them. Everyone's helpful. They're very friendly. If you have any questions, guys, just go join that and they'll let you know. So yeah, that's EverReflect. Only a quick, short, brief video on them, guys, because they are brand new. There's not really much news coming out just yet from them, but they are doing their stuff. They have things planned. It is looking exciting. I am liking the chart. It looks like it could blow up, but only if Bitcoin does its thing or they have some crazy news, which who knows, they might. They might even have news today that I haven't even looked at and I've missed out for the video. So yeah, guys, looking great. I'm liking the project. I think I'm going to invest here now. That's what I'd probably be doing. So yeah, if you're interested, go check out the links down below. Make sure you're doing your own research before buying this token, because I'm not a financial advisor. I want to make sure you guys do your own research. Please do that. Yeah, looking great. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.